Jai Srimannarayana, 22nd sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Rudraditya Vasavo Yecha Sadhyaha Visvesvinau Marutascha ऊष्मपाश्च गन्धर्वयक्षा सुरसिद्धसङ्घाः वीक्षन्ते त्वां विस्मिताश्चैव सर्वे ॐ Visualize that, imagine that all Rudras, 11 Rudras, 12 Adityas, 8 Vasu, 7 Maruttas, Devatas like Sadhyas, Visve Devatas, 2 Aswini Devatas, Pitru Devatas, Gandharva, Yaksha, Rakshasa, Siddha, all these categorized devatas are gazed upon Sri Krishna Paramatma in an amazement. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me. Surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, please help me imagine that your Visvarupam is so huge and all the devatas are gazed upon your divine Visvarupam in an amazement. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi, Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 174th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Gopalas, Gopikas, all the cows, everyone reached Brindavanam. Brindavanam, Govardhanam, यमुना पुलिनानि च वीक्ष्य आसीत् उत्तमा प्रीति राममाधवयोः. After seeing Vrindavanam, Govardhana, mountain, Yamuna banks, rivers, Yamuna river bank and all that, Balarama Krishna feeling so happy. And then Balarama Krishna, both of them with their beautiful activities and cute talks, they are making such a wonderful entertainment, giving entertainment to all the people of Vrindavanam and making them happy. After some years, Vatsapalau Babhuvatuhu, they became 5 years old and now they are enough matured, enough grown to take care of calves. That is why along with their friends and taking all kind of toys, they used to go to forest along with the calves. గజ్జలు మొరయదన్నుచు వేటులాడుదురు ప్రావీణ్యమొప్ప వన్యజంతు చయంబుల వాణి వాణి పదురు పదురుచు. Having all kind of ornaments, anklets wearing, and with the sounds coming from those ornaments, Balarama and Krishna along with their friends goes to forest, and there they used to imitate all the chirping sounds of birds and roaring sounds of animals. However, whatever they do, Balarama and Krishna used to imitate and give happiness to all his friends, all their friends. Like that, Balarama and Krishna making their friends happy, they are happy and they are enjoying in the banks of the river Yamuna. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namara Shatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 22nd sloka. Rudraditya vasavo ye cha sadhyaha Vishvesvinau marutascha vushmapascha Gandharva yaksha surasiddha sanghaha Vikshante tvam vismitaschaiva sarve. Rudraditya vasavo ye cha sadhyaha Vishvesvinau marutascha vushmapascha Gandharva yaksha surasiddha sanghaha Vikshante tvam vismitaschaiva sarve. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.